Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, one who is in ihram should not wear the clothes dyed inwards or saffron. Hazrat Nafi reports that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said, a man got up and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what clothes do you command us to wear in ihram? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one must neither wear a shirt, nor a shalwar, nor a turban, nor a cap. If someone does not have shoes, he must wear leather socks, but cut them to come below the ankles. Nor must he wear the thing which has been dyed in saffron or worse. Nor must a woman in ihram observe veil, nor wear gloves. Musa bin Uqaba, Ismail bin Ibrahim bin Uqaba, and Juwayriyah and Ibn Ishaq corroborated him about the veil and gloves. Ubaidullah said, that should not be dyed in verse, and he would say, a woman in ihram must neither observe veil nor wear gloves. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, a woman in ihram must not observe veil. Layth bin Abu Salim corroborated him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1838.